Hello, tech lovers. AI mode in Google search is a new way to explore information faster and more intuitively. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to understand your questions in context and deliver clear conversational answers instead of just a list of links. With AI mode, you can ask complex and follow up questions, refine your search naturally, and get summarized insights with helpful sources. In this video, we will break down what AI mode is, how it works, and how you can start using it to search smarter and save time. Here is everything you need to know. Join me in this journey of the future now, where we explore the technologies that are transforming the present and defining the future of tech. Watch this entire video and let's get started. What is AI mode and how to use it? Here is everything you need to know about Google AI mode. Introduction. If you have visited Google or opened your Chrome browser, you may have noticed something a little different. The home page featured an animated doodle. Click it and you are taken straight to AI mode, Google's new step in redefining how we search online. The doodle even had a share button. AI mode is where we will first bring our frontier capabilities into search, CEO Sundar Pichai expressed. So, what exactly is AI mode and why is Google pushing it front and center? Watch this entire video and let's not only understand why but get to know and use it effectively. What is Google AI mode? AI mode is Google's fresh take on search. Now, instead of just returning a list of links, it combines the same search results with AI generated summaries and answers, pulling in content from across the internet. The idea? Give users quicker, clearer responses. It's powered by Gemini 2.5, an upgraded version of Google's core AI model. This technology distills the web's information into concise, useful responses, often with handy links for further exploration. You can ask nuanced questions that might have previously taken multiple searches, like exploring a new concept or comparing detailed options, and get a helpful AI powered response with links to learn more. Whether you are struggling to work out which is the best tablet to buy for your child, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a Mediterranean diet, or which is better, GPT-5 or Cloud Opus 4.5? Well, AI mode is focused on making the process at least a bit smarter and straightforward. How does AI mode work? You can type, talk, or even bring pictures, and the artificial intelligence will comprehend your inquiry and reply. This multimodal capability makes it flexible in the sense that you can either request a recipe idea with an image of your pantry or use voice to ask a question you want answered, even when you are on the road. How to use AI mode? Go to Google homepage and look for the AI mode option next to the search bar. Use the Google app on your phone and tap the AI mode button on the home screen. This is the future of Google search, a search that goes beyond information to intelligence. Or visit directly at google.com/AI mode. Check the description for the link. You can update your Google account on mobile and use it as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and gained valuable insights into the latest tech innovations. The future is now and the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for more exciting deep dives at profound insights under the Future Now, the latest in tech playlist. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button, subscribe for more exciting tech updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement motivates me to create more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you.